city of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. Yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to move off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we roll up a blunt. And me and Jack would get stoney, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back while I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till I learn a little. I brought some weed and baby, maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no, I'm David, and I left. Sun shining, birds chirping, let me take a breath. I'm headed to the city where my chance to make it best. What people like to give a little, then you take the rest. I'm hoping one day maybe I can find a place to rest. I fell in love with life and wonder where it take me next. I like the hustle and bustle, I fell in love with the fashion. I feel the pulse of the city, it's moving me like a passion in its mind.
Baby, we go way back, all the situations, circumstances, still we don't mind. Steady going on, I dance around the street lights. Hey, I know every street side, hanging around the block like you are my friend and you are welcome anyone, yeah. City of mine, how I love this city of mine. Something to make me stay. Round and round forever searching for something I could never get to taste. Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be safe. I'm just so sick of waiting.
Dark circles. I would love a long life, but I love how life's worthless. I'ma paint purple, cause blue's overrated. We all outdated, we all so jaded. We all lost love like love's our savior. It's a dark place when it's all about the paper. Cutting pretty cards before they do you something heinous. I I've been steady sitting on my anus. I'm so contemporaneous, in love with my behavior. But really, I could probably try and be something greater. Fuck it, I'm my favorite. You could tell me something different, but I probably wouldn't listen. No, I probably wouldn't listen. The word that's the ego, scared it's taking over. But fuck it, it's fun to run my tongue up on these road fronts. But I know I could lose it all if I'm not careful. I sound scared, hope you feel that my heart's there though.
Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm just so sick of waiting for any luck to come my way. Yeah. Real good, be good, stay good. Live good, I could feel good. Live good, die good. Lingering inside my head, turning minutes into hours into days. I'm thinking about this situation. Wonder if it's ever gonna change. Feel good, be good, stay good, and live good. If I could feel good, I'd live good, I'd die good. Feel good, be good, stay good, and live good. If I could feel good, I'd live good, I'd die good. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Can't believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. About all of the problems in life.